right, that's a scene from the hit series The Walking Dead, and zombies, they're on everybody's mind right now. And after an epic prank hit the internet, brothers who say they tricked their sister into thinking there was a zombie apocalypse. And I'll be honest with you, I may have believed it too, because these guys are really good. You know, they did it after she had her wisdom teeth surgery.
Oh, that's terrible.
That's even worse, huh? But you know what? That's what brothers are for. Let's take a look.
The Center for Disease Control in Washington, D.C. has issued a viral outbreak warning. State and local officials have reported cases of high fever, nausea, death, and even cannibalism.
What the heck? Did you?
What? When you're driving like a slug, you get to the house?
Don't move.
What? Like cannibals? What is this, zombies?
You're gonna need to defend yourself. I need you to see you do it, okay? You gotta hold it up. If anything comes, hold the weapon. Hold it up. No, hold it. We can only take one pet. Which pet? The cat or the dog?
The cat! You idiot!
Okay.
No!
What do we do with the dog?
He's the worst! He's already dying! Just leave him!
Okay,
Get
we will.
the
Okay,
cat!
okay. I got the cat.
Baby.
Mom said we're leaving the dog.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Dad said that since he's in Las Vegas, that he's close to Mexico and he wants us to meet him in Mexico. How good is your Spanish still from high school?
I can say pants.
Millicent, we can only take Funfetti or chocolate cake. Which one do we take? Funfetti? Do you want Funfetti or chocolate?
Why would you
Which? No, Millicent, this is important. We go to Costco first?
No, it's gonna be a bloodbath in there.
All right, we're gonna go let you get in bed. Millicent, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
We love you.
We love you.
I'm gonna turn this off.
If you have not seen the whole thing, make sure you go online and check it out. And I tell you, the family dog hasn't talked to her since.
Yeah, come on.
It's awesome, though.
Thankfully, she can say pants in Spanish.